So, first is number 1, that's where we begin, and you'll have to look out for the prime number hat.
Number 2 is used in pairs, such as 0 and 1, or binary, or yes and no, or on and off.
Atoms consist of 3 parts: protons, neutrons, and electrons.
4 is the 4th dimensional space and time.
5 is Beethoven's famous 5th Symphony.
The cells of a beehive honeycomb are 6-sided.
Isaac Newton identified 7 colours of the rainbow.
All spiders have 8 legs.
Number 9, there were 9 planets until Pluto was demoted.
Number 10, you're 10 times more likely to be bitten by a human than a rat.
Apollo 11 was the first manned spacecraft to land on the moon.
12. King Arthur had 12 knights of his round table.
13, for some reason people assume 13 is an unlucky number.
14, the number of lines in a sonnet.
15 represents the first point gained in tennis.
16 is the number of pieces each player has in chess.
There are 17 syllables in a haiku, just like this sentence.
There are 18 holes in a round golf.
When a 3x3 cube is made out of 27 unit cubes, only 19 of them are visible.
20 is the name of a village in Lincolnshire.
21 is the number of spots on a 6-sided die. That's 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 is 21.
Say the measure.
22! The Titanic was travelling at 22 knots when it hit into an iceberg.
Julius Caesar was stabbed 23 times.
24 is the number of hours in a day.
25 is the national board game of India.
The planet Uranus has 27 moons.
28 is the number of dominoes in a standard domino set.
The lunar month is approximately 29 days.
30 is the sum of the first 4 square numbers. 1, 4, 9, 60, making it a square pyramidal number.
31 is a prime number, as is 331, 3,331, and 33,331.
32 is the number of black squares, white and white squares in a chessboard. It is also the amount of pieces in chess.
A normal human spine has 33 vertebrae.
34 is the magic constant of a 4x4 square. All rows, columns equal 34.
35 is a greeting in Croatia, often used in the same way as respect.
35.
35.
36 is the atomic number of Krypton. No? Okay, fine.
37 is the number of plays William Shakespeare is thought to have written.
Egyptian pharaohs were said to be buried with 38 statues of cats and 38 anks.
Japanese internet slang for thank you is 37, being 3 being san and 7 being q, being sankyo.
Minus 40 in Fahrenheit and minus 40 in Celsius are both the same temperature.
Symphony number 41 was the last symphony by Mozart.
42. Obvious.
43 is the smallest expressible prime number that can be found as the sum of 2, 3, 4 or 5 prime numbers.
Barack Obama is the 44th President of the United States.
The numbers 1 to 9 added up, that's 1 plus 2 plus 3 all the way up to 9, equal 45, and also 4 plus 5 is 9.
The number of chromosomes in a human body is 46.
The tropics of Cancer and Capricorn are located 47 degrees apart.
48 is the amount of hours in 2 days.
A 49er is a name given to someone who participated in the famous 1849 Californian gold rush.
50. Those percentage is equivalent to half or halfway. So let's stop for now.